All right, so hello everyone. My name is Jean Forand. I'm a teacher with the chemistry department. So on behalf of my colleagues and myself, I would like to welcome you to the chemistry department and to this virtual tour of our facilities. So we hope that you will enjoy the presentation and that we'll be able to answer several of questions that you may have along the way. So please follow me. As you will see, we have had the plexiglass installed and wipes and disinfecting sprays are also available. So in these COVID times, we have implemented additional protocols to ensure the health of our students and personnel. Now, in these times, exceptionally, students are working individually, wearing masks and maintaining physical distancing. But even in this context, and even with fewer labs, as a department, we still felt that it was necessary for students to perform lab experiments. It helps in connecting with the material, the course material, and of course it helps in building up lab competencies that will be useful in future studies. So in the past 10 years or so, the college invested greatly in the renovations of our 3 labs. So we are very proud now to offer a well-equipped workspace and very much adequate workspace for the realization of college chemistry experiments. So we are here in the room A516. This is the general chemistry lab. This is the first chemistry course in the science program. And for example, of topics that we cover in this course, we're mentioning the model of the atom. So we're going from the Bohr atom that you may remember from high school to the quantum mechanical probabilistic model. We are covering notions like chemical bonds, we're talking about intermolecular forces, we're talking about periodic properties. So a variety of topics, some of them building up, of course, on what you've learned in high school and going into greater details. This would be your first lab in the chemistry department. Usually the way it works is that students are working in teams of 2, following a procedure that is found in the lab manual and getting results and later on completing lab reports and so on and so forth. We have, again, a variety of experiments that connect with the course material, and the idea is for you also to build up lab skills that will be very useful later on, either in other chemistry courses at the college or lab skills at university. We are now in the room A544. This is our Chemistry of Solutions lab. Chemistry of Solution is the second chemistry course in the program. And topics that we are covering in this course will include chemical kinetics, so speed of reactions, chemical equilibria, so talking about those reversible reactions, acids, bases, buffers, and more. So another course that we are offering in the department, another option course, is physical chemistry. In this course, you will be covering notions like kinetics, thermodynamics, so exchange of energy during reactions, and notions of quantum mechanics, a bit more advanced, and also spectroscopy. So lab experiments will allow you to, for example, use advanced equipment in the realization of experiments. Here we are in the A570 room. This is our organic chemistry lab. Organic chemistry is a very important topic for students wishing to pursue careers in health disciplines. The organic chemistry course, although being an option course in the program, happens to be a prerequisite for such programs at universities. So examples of topics that are covered in organic chemistry are the stereochemistry, so we're referring to shape of molecules, reactions of different kind of organic compounds like the alkanes, the alkenes, the aromatic compounds, etc. You will also get to perform lab experiments and may have to use some specialized equipment and apply organic techniques which are different from the techniques that you would have learned in the general chemistry and the chemistry of solution course. It is also in the A570 lab that we are performing experiments associated with our Chemistry of the Modern World option courses. We have 2 courses. One is focusing on food and drugs, where we discuss matters of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, prescription drugs, antibiotics, etc. And another course that we have is focusing on health and beauty, which will discuss cosmetics, perfumes, We'll be talking about air pollution and so on. So in this lab, we also use organic chemistry techniques. So if you haven't taken the organic chemistry course, you still have a chance to perform such techniques. So whether you're making soap, extracting caffeine, or testing for analgesic, this would be the place. Now, nobody's going to be testing personally analgesics, and no students have been harmed in the production of this presentation. So there are numerous resources available at Vanier, both course-related material and non-course related material. And there are several people that are willing to help you and guide you in your studies. Here we have the chemistry resource room. So as you can see, we have a lot of chemistry books that you can access. So it is a study room. It is like a walk-in clinic room as well. You will find chemistry teachers that will offer their time to answer questions from students, and it doesn't have to be your teacher. So if your teacher is not available at a specific time, you can come here and seek some help. All right, so again, we hope that you have enjoyed this presentation, and should you have any more questions, don't hesitate to visit our webpage on the Vanier website. And also you can contact us at chemistry@vaniercollege.qc.ca. So thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you soon.